And welcome to yet another video on SEPA channel. Today's quick video is gonna be about the navigation app, which is called Sygic. Again, I'm pronouncing it wrong. It is what it is. So today what we'll want to show you guys is kind of how it works in the perspective of actually using it on the road. So it gives us the opportunity to kind of see different things. We are right now at the moment, let's go back on the car. We are in a very, well, we're stuck in traffic, man, you know. Like, this is pretty much what it is, and you can clearly see that the navigation app has identified where the issue is. Now, I was thinking about it, and I feel like this graphic looks a little bit quite similar to TomTom, what TomTom does, and then yeah, it's quite interesting. Now let's go on the car itself. Right, let's go to Rotterdam. Let's get the directions. So we're setting up right now the destination, and it says it's about 21 miles and 36 minutes, which is, you know, fair enough. It's just about the same thing. Let's see what options we have on the route. You can avoid highways, toll roads, congestion charge zones, avoid ferries and unpaved road. Obviously unpaved road is being checked. You can also add stops if you want along the way, pretty much the same as, you know, Google Maps is showing. Customize charging along the route. Let's see. Oh, sure. So it takes you to some like charging points along the route, which is, man, you know what, it's great. That's very good. I don't even know where this is. This is Morrison's, I think. Yeah, it's not showing all of them because Tesco, as an example, has one around exactly in this area, and it's actually free. But yeah, I guess that's another option. Let's see what we have with more. 5 times speed cam, 12 minutes en route, 5 times. Oh, so along the way there are 5 speed cams. Okay, that's nice. Right, let's go back to it.
Heading direction to northwest.
Okay, fair enough. How can I close this? Right, so
After
it shows
third a
me
mile
here.
at the roundabout and go along M1.
Oh no, how do I stop the voice? I hate these voices, man. Can I stop them from here? Sound on, sound off. Sound off, please. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see what other settings we have. A share, smart cam, which again, maybe we're going to do that once. You know, we're going to check that for you if you guys might be interested, how the smart cam works and all that. And then we're going to give it a text. Add waypoint, of course. Switch to walking, no. Route info. Right, so that's the route info. Okay, fair enough. So we're here. Right, what we can see. You can see obviously the charging in the left side in here, and then you can also see the speed limit as well as your speed down in the right side, which is great. Let's see what this does. The report. Okay, so you can report, such as, it's quite similar to Waze, I guess, in a way. It's a bit more, you know, like animated kind of thing. I don't know, but it's quite cool, man. Now I've seen in one of the settings that they have like a 3D thing. Let's see. So you can choose from 3D to 2D. Am I tripping? No, you can choose 2D, 3D, 2D. Right, so you can either choose to have it like this or obviously have it in a 3D mode. Now I'm quite curious how the buildings are looking alike. Let's see what they're saying in any buildings in Chesterfield. Well, looks like no buildings in Chesterfield. Let's go to Sheffield and let's see if there are any buildings there by any chance. Obviously it's a bigger city, so I will expect to have some buildings. Yes, so we do have a few buildings, but unfortunately just a few. So we'll have the casino, we have the church, we have the city hall. You know what, it's interesting, you know, it's not bad working on it. So you use 2 fingers to kind of navigate, and you have this 3D view. I like it, man. It's quite cool. It's quite cool. I'll really love to be able to show you guys, you know, what is going to be the, you know, kind of actually using it while driving. And, you know, it says I have 4 miles per hour, and in the dashboard, it's telling me the same thing. So it's not lying in there. It's cool, man. Yeah, I like it. Well, I guess this was all like an initial small introduction. If you guys will have any questions in regards to the app, please feel free to ask. what I will do, I will obviously go in the app, see whatever, check what can be done, and then I'm also gonna make a video about it. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget there is another video where we go through all of the options and functions and what they do, pretty much like a first time unboxing review or a first time review, I guess that's how we're gonna call it. We will be starting a new like a new series of videos where we're going to test this kind of apps that can be used for cars, for driving and all that, and for pretty much anything else that you guys might be interested for. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. You guys have a good one. Bye now.